So I want to make ogbono today. This video is going to be vlog and cooking, you know. This is the pot that I'm going to be using. I'm also having fresh fish, scubion, you know. So why this one is chicken, I'm having chicken, and this one here is goat meat and the cow fresh, you know. So this is a what do they call this, a bonga fish. So it's dried one. We bought it like this in Afro shop, so I use hot water to roast it, guys. So salt, I'm having salt here, chili pepper. So this is chili pepper, and this one here is Maggi cube. So the first thing that I'm going to be adding in here is what do they call it, chicken. I've added in my chicken, so I'm going to add a bit of in short, I'm going to use everything because I wanted to add half. I use everything. Also having this jomo, I'm going to use like 2 spoons. It's just this small spoon, you know. This one I'm using 2. I use 2 of it. Then that's enough. That I'm going to be adding is salt. You have to gauge your salt too, but you know I cook always, so I normally use my eye to gauge it. So now I'm going to be washing this one here with hot water before I start. I'll blend my ogbono. I'll show you guys the ogbono that I'm going to use. So stay tuned. So guys, so I want to blend ogbono now. I want to take it from here because we have so many at home. All these are ogbono. This is my crayfish. I normally blend it and store it here. So this is it. Don't know if you can see it well. So this one here is crayfish, you know. So guys, our ogbono is ready. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video, leave comment by the comment section below, and also help me to be sharing my video. Bye.